Welcome to the in front of me Samsung Galaxy M31s, and I'll show you how to unblock number on this device. So first you should go into the phone application, and then here on the right upper corner tap to the more icon. Just tap then here to the settings and click to the block numbers. Here, as can you see, we got the 2 block numbers in our blacklist, and just to remove or to unblock the number from our blacklist, you should just tap here once on this white minus icon. And as can you see here, we get the message that our number just successfully removed from our blacklist, and by the same way we'll just remove or unblock the second number. So that's it, that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.